Hello kids, in today's activity work, today we will learn to draw a boat with number 1. Okay, so let's start children, and you can draw this activity and you can draw this work on a drawing sheet paper. Okay, let's start children. First children, we will draw a 1 number. Like this. Okay, first we will draw. Yes children, we have drawn here 1 number. Okay, and children, we will take care of this thing. From both sides line will be equal. Okay, let's start. We will draw line. Okay, from both sides line will be equal. Okay, and now we will draw slanting line from this side. From this side we will draw slanting line. Okay, and like this. From this side again we will draw slanting line. Okay, now children we will draw straight line. Okay, to join these both line. Okay, like this. Okay, and now children we will draw line from this side. Okay, till here and joint from this side. Okay, we will draw a slanting line to join this line. Okay, and again we will draw a curved line like this children. Okay, yes children, we have drawn here this curved line. Okay, we will draw from this side. Okay, and joint here this line. Okay, this is curved line. And children, now we will draw 4 circle inside this boat, leaving the equal distance here. Okay, leaving the equal distance we will draw 4 circle. Okay children, let's start. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now children, again we will draw a small circle inside these 4 circle. Okay, like this. We will draw small circle 4. Okay, our boat is ready. Yes children, our boat is ready now. Now we will draw the waves of sea. Okay, like this. Yes children, our boat is ready now. Now we will fill the color in this boat. Okay, first children we will take this pink color. Okay, and fill in this portion. Yes children, we have filled this pink color in this portion. Now we will take this yellow color. Okay, to fill this in this portion. Okay, like this. Children, we have filled this yellow color in this portion. Okay, now we will take this orange color. Okay, to fill inside this boat. Okay, yes children, we have filled this orange color inside the boat. Okay, And children, we will fill this orange color leaving this circle. Okay, and we will fill this green color inside this circle leaving this small circle. We will fill this green color. Okay, we have filled this green color in this circle. Okay, and children, take care of this thing. We will leave this small circle, and inside this small circle we will fill this red color. Okay, like this. We have filled this red color inside these 4 circle, small circle. Now children, we will take this sky blue color and we will fill this color in these waves like this. We have filled this sky blue color inside these waves, and now children, we will take this black color. Okay, now we will do outline. Okay, like this. Yes children, we have completed our activity work. Okay, in today's activity you have to also draw this boat like me children. Okay, and on next Saturday, on next time, we will draw another thing with number 2. Okay, okay, bye.